there is now a Maserati in my driveway. Alright guys, so we are back in Kansas City finally after a long day, and there it is. As you can see, plastic is not the best, hazy fog lights, but it seems to be all here. Hasn't moved in a long time. Tires have tons of tread, but their date is not good. I think I've already looked. Yeah, right there. 2016 was when this thing was, tires were made. Here's a little door latch thing that I was talking about. You've got two switches, one there, don't know what that is, and then this is what actually opens the door. Carbon fiber, and then all sorts of fun stuff. So now I just got to figure out how to get the trunk open to open the back. Back seats look nice. Oh crap, there's carbon there too. Holy smokes. This is a neat little car. Alright guys, so we just hooked up jumper to battery just on the off chance that this thing might show us something. And the lights flicked on. Let me crawl up in here. And again, I'm not going to start it. There's mileage. We got progress. And I'm just going to go key on no start. That transmission failure, passenger airbag off, refueling recommended, TPMS failure. I'm not too worried about those because this thing probably hasn't had power and God knows how long. I doubt that this works. 4-digit code. I wonder if I could get that from the manufacturer. Let's see. This is a neat little vehicle. Hazards work. I don't know what that is. Vents work. Go to dealer. Go to dealer. There it said it. Hold on. Let's see if I can do this. Go to dealer slowly. Oh, that's funny. Scheduled service expired. Giggle. Hey, check lights. Well, there you go, guys. Here's a quick walk around of the car itself, just so you can see what I'm looking at. I almost want to try and find one that I'm not going to cut up, but we'll see. As you can see, there's no body damage on it, really. How about that apple? Boom.